This unit is an Allen Bradley 8000 PG2 Power Supply used in the 8000 series CPU rack systems and was repaired by ERD with our 3-year warranty. These 8000 series rack power supplies can also be used for any type of large metalwork, including jet engine manufacturing. Here you see the Allen Bradley 8000 PG2 Power Supply being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.